Announcing the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. This is the easiest way to start your woodworking projects. If you're just starting out or you're a seasoned carpenter, you'll find out just how simple it is to build projects using TedsWoodworking step-by-step plans. With over 16,000 plans, it covers a ton of projects. 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step instructions, photos and diagrams to make every project laughably easy. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Just think about all the projects you can build right away, from small crafts, outdoor projects to large furniture around the house. You'll get your project done cheaper, faster, using these step-by-step, hold-you-by-the-hand plans and diagrams. With over 16,000 plans, you'll never run out of ideas or projects you can build. It's an enviable position most woodworkers will never experience. You'll get access to 16,000 step-by-step woodworking plans, The Art of Woodworking, a 440-page guidebook, plus tons of tips, techniques, videos and guides for woodworkers. Check it out by clicking the link below this video, you'll love it.